Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing boneless, skinless chicken thigh recipe. It is Tuscan chicken. It is so delicious. It has got a brothy sauce with super juicy boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You are going to love it. It is so good. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Let's get started with this Tuscan chicken. It is made with boneless, skinless chicken thighs and then a really delicious brothy sauce. And it's perfectly keto, even though this is kind of like a traditional Tuscan chicken recipe that, like if you were to Google what is really Tuscan chicken, this is about what you would find. It doesn't have the cream or like the sun-dried tomatoes and stuff like that. It's a simple broth with chicken sauteed in a skillet. It's really delicious. So first, we've got 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs here, and I'm going to season them with salt and pepper. And then we're going to start cooking them in our hot skillet, and I'll season the other side. Okay, we're going to heat up our skillet over about medium high heat, and we're going to add a good amount of avocado oil, about 3 tablespoons. Just to coat the bottom of the pan. We don't want our chicken to stick. Okay, I'm gonna add the chicken to the skillet. And if your skillet's smaller than this one, you wanna do just half of the chicken. But this is a pretty big skillet. I'm gonna season the other side with salt and pepper. And I'm also gonna add 6 cloves of minced garlic to the pan. Lots of delicious garlic. Okay, we're gonna let these cook until they get a nice brown on them, and then we're gonna remove them from the pan and work on our sauce. Okay, we're gonna remove the chicken from the pan. It's brown, but it's not completely cooked all of the way through. Whenever we finish the sauce, we're gonna finish cooking the chicken in the sauce. We just wanted to get them brown for now. I'm gonna reduce the heat just a little bit, and I'm gonna add in 3 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. I'm gonna scrape the bottom of the pan, get those brown bits off of there. Ooh, that vinegar. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. 1 chopped shallot, a large shallot, and about a tablespoon or 4 sprigs, roughly, of chopped fresh rosemary. Super yummy. And now we're gonna scrape the bottom of the pan, and you see that white wine vinegar and all those liquids really helped get all of that stuck stuff off of the bottom of the pan. We're also gonna add 1 cup of beef broth. This gives really good umami flavor. Okay, we're gonna bring this up to a boil, simmer. We're gonna let this simmer until the liquid is reduced by about half. We wanna get it nice and reduced, really condense all of those flavors in the sauce. Okay, we got our sauce reduced, or this part of the sauce reduced really nicely. So now we're gonna add a cup of chicken broth. And I know you're probably thinking, Jennifer, why are you adding chicken and beef broth? Because, I don't know, because it's delicious, that's why. So we add 1 cup of chicken broth, and now we're gonna add the chicken back to the pan so it can finish cooking. Don't forget all that deliciousness in our platter. Okay, we're gonna bring this up to a simmer again so this liquid can reduce while our chicken finishes cooking. So this is gonna take probably about 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, let's serve some of this chicken. I'll put some of these chicken thighs on this plate. And then go in with the sauce. It's gonna be so good. Ooh, that looks good. All those shallots and rosemary. So pretty. Okay, let's taste a piece of this chicken. Oh my gosh, it's so tender and juicy. So perfect. That is so good. I love boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Guys, you're gonna love this easy chicken thigh recipe. Juicy chicken thighs, oh, they're just so good. So much better than chicken breasts, am I right? So anyway, if you're on Facebook, you might wanna make some keto chocolate chip cookies after you eat these delicious chicken thighs. So you can just go to my website, jenniferbands.com, and search for keto chocolate chip cookies. If you're on YouTube, you can just click this box right here. It will take you right to the video where I show you how to make my keto chocolate chip cookies. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.